diabetes, heart disease, and all the food deficiency disease. Food deficiency भनेको खानाको कमीले लाग्ने. अस्ति पढ्यौँ नि हामीले. All food deficiency disease we have already done, isn't it? Krishna, we have done that food deficiency disease. Kwashiorkor, marasmus, rickets, goiter, तिनीहरू food deficiency disease हुन्. They are also non-communicable disease. They are also the example of non-communicable disease. Similarly, there are other disease also. They are non-communicable. For example, cancer, diabetes, heart disease, यिनीहरू पनि non-communicable हुन्. अहिले हामीले अब पछि पढ्छौँ. यदि अर्को क्लासमा हामीले त्यो क्यान्सर, अबाउट क्यान्सर, डायबिटिज, हेपाटाइटिस यस्ता डिजिजहरू अन्डर non-communicable disease. We'll do that, right? Okay, then prevention of non-communicable disease. यो लाग्नबाट यस्ता खालका रोगहरू लाग्नबाट how can we stop? How can we prevent ourselves following this? So first, having balanced diet, safe drinking water, cheerful and happy life, free from tension, healthy habits, बानी अस्ति हामीले पढिसकेका छौँ. यी कुराहरू हामीमा डेभलप गर्यौँ भने will not suffer from non-communicable disease. Proper and regular exercise, personal hygiene and environment sanitation, सरसफाइमा ध्यान दिने, and use of tobacco product, alcohol and narcotic drugs that should be avoided, that should not be taken, and proper rest and sound sleep. Working physical work for long time, we need to have rest and sound sleep भनेको sleep निद्रा लाग्नु पर्छ. And then for our health we can have a periodical medical checkup. Time to time we can go to the hospital for knowing our condition of our body. के छ त, रोग लागेको छ छैन भनेर periodical checkup को लागि जानुपर्छ. If we consider all these 6-7 points, we will not suffer from non-communicable disease. Now communicable भनेको transmitted from transmit भनेको थियो. यसमा it is transmitted from an infected person or animal to where people live through water, through media भनेको थियो नि अघि, through the media, water, it is transferred, communicable disease. Okay, then physical contact, food, etc. Due to this reason, communicable disease are transmitted from one to another. From person, host. This is all about communicable disease, how it is transferred. And then disease that among different individuals in a community is known as communicable disease. Various people get suffered from communicable disease. Takes place in the community where people live, right? Mr. Amrit,
yes, sir.
yes.
No.
Are you listening? Yes. Okay, disease that is spread in different individuals in a community is known as communicable disease. Is, for example, communicable disease. Disease like cholera, diarrhea,
fever, cold, cholera,
yes, hepatitis, hepatitis B. Yes, they are okay. What happened? Asma talking to somebody else. Okay. Now, prevention of communicable disease. Just before we did preventive measures of non-communicable, preventive measures of communicable disease. How can we be safe from getting communicable disease? Yes, they get spread our community where we stay. So how to be safe? Use of safe drinking water. Water is the main. Hygienic waters, safe
यो
water.
हालिदिन्छ उही चार्जमा गरम चार्ज
Safe water to be taken. Okay. Use of nutrition and balanced diet. This also helps. This also gives us power, immunity power. So we increase in immunity power. There is chance of not getting communicable disease, not getting infected. We will not get infected. It will help. That power, that immunity power help us. Okay, that we get through nutrition or balance. We should develop healthy habits. Healthy habits, that will also help to stop or gain communicable disease. And the next is immunization. Do you understand immunization? Vaccination, preventive measures, that is immunization. त्यही इम्युनाइजेसन पनि हामीले गर्छौँ.
Sir, immunization is a means of protection against the results of infection disease within the
future. About immunization, and the next is this schedule. Immunization भनिरहेको थियो नि. This is what we call immunization. BCG vaccine. BCG vaccine is given for the prevention of tuberculosis. TB लागोस् भनेको लागि one time एउटा मात्रै लिन्छ. We all have got this BCG vaccine. Is one of the example of immunization. Small child get what? Immunization of BCG. Okay, BCG. Another is DPT vaccine. Through syringe it is given, and it stops 3 diseases. One is diphtheria, that cause in our neck. Diphtheria, and another is whooping cough. भन्छ पर्टिसिस डिपी भनेको पिकन्सिस अफ पर्टिसिस को भनेको होपिङ कफ लहरेको कि भन्छ. एन्ड देन अनदर इज टिटनस. यु अल नो दैट. सो three diseases are prevented by the vaccine. It is given 3 times. That DPT vaccine, this child given 3 times. Okay? 3 times, and interval of 1 महिनाको फरकमा दिनु गर्छ. नेक्स्ट इज पोलियो भ्याक्सिन. पोलियोको 3 टाइम्स अनि एउटा पोलियो ड्रप यु क्यान सी. एन्ड देन नेक्स्ट इज बुस्टर डोज भन्छ, त्यो पनि दिइन्छ. अनि टाइम पनि दिएको छ 4 to 6 weeks को फरकमा. द्याट पोलियो भ्याक्सिन इज गिभन 3 टाइम्स टु द चाइल्ड. 5 वर्ष 4 वर्ष 5 वर्षसम्ममा यो सबै 3वटा डोज दिइसक्छ. ओके, इन द भेरी बिगिनिङ एउटा ड्रप दिन्छ, त्यसपछि चाहिँ अरू बुस्टर डोजहरू भनेर दिन्छ.